we're in a very interesting state in which the dominant forms of maladies that we have are no longer these acute things that were the birthing of medicine. They're the heart disease, they're the diabetes, they're the arthritis, they're the dementia, they're the ulcers, they're the depression, on and on and on. These are chronic complex disorders for which there's not just one single cause.
The epidemic of chronic illness has not yet spread to developing nations. It is really a problem in modern industrialized world.
You can't produce much energy, you don't have as much cell division, you become more vulnerable to disease, you're more prone to inflammation, you can't modulate your feedback loops.
Why do we have such an explosion of chronic disease? Where is it coming from?
Your body's very well equipped to handle stress. That can't be the constant state.
There are a number of factors. One in particular is the lack of diversity in the microbiome.
We've made sleep lazy because of corporate culture.
The basics in life, foods that you're eating, the environment that you're in, the people you're surrounded with are way more important than those genetic SNPs that you're seeing on your lab report.
A disease, what we label a diagnosis or a disease, is really just the result of something.
Having appreciation and gratitude and just having those thoughts can raise things like growth factors and opioids and different agents that have an anti-inflammatory effect.
Get back to the foods that actually feed the microbiome, feed digestion. That's where we need to be focused.
So your brain's repairing, your body's repairing, and you're making all sorts of connections between the two.
Do things that are positive for yourself, and your genes will respond favorably as well.
Of course we can live past 100. That is possible. We know that's possible, and we know it's possible to do that in pretty reasonable health.